Good day, everyone. This is Mikey again, and I'm here to teach you how to create your own business or professional logo. Okay, so why logo is very important in your business, whether it's goods or services that you are offering in the market. Yes, logos are really important. So these are a point of identification. They are the symbol that customers use to recognize your brand. Ideally, you want people to instantly connect the sight of your logo with the memory of what your company does. So, for example, if you have a restaurant or a food chain business, so your logo must be sort of food or food related icons or colors that is you know kind of connect or match to your business. So yeah, it's really important to know what are the factors to consider before making your own business or personal or professional logo. So we're going to use Canva in making the graphics or making the logo. So all you have to do is to go to canva.com, and then if you still haven't any accounts for this, you can sign up for free. And yeah, after signing up, and then once you logged in, go to, you'll be directed to your homepage or to this home screen. Yep. Then after that, go to create a design. Then you can search for logo so that all the templates for logos will pop up. So all the templates are here. Just have to, um, you can decide if you'll have to um, start from the scratch or use a template for the logo making. Yes. So for example, if I'm going to build my own bike shop, for example, so right here. So this is kind of related to bike shop. Yes. Yes, it is bike shop. So for example, my business name is Mike's bike shop. So here it is. And what all we have to do is to create our own design or edit it. Then we can go to elements if we have to add some icons, some um, photos or pictures. Then for the text, you can add text. There are templates here. There are different sizes. You can also use this to make it more attractive. Then you can set your own background as well. Then for the elements, maybe we can add some icons to make it more attractive here. Then choose white to complement. So if I'm going to decide that if I'm going to choose white and black, so here it is. It's also important for you to know the brand fascination. You can choose the colors, the dominant colors that that you can use for your business and for your graphics as well and for your logo. So maybe yeah, this is just only a sample. Then I can download it. Then I can use this for my Facebook as my profile picture or as a logo. Yes. Then here it is. So you can yes.